Okay, so what we got here is a BMW X5 2024. It's a brand new. And what we've done is we've installed the Ghost 2 system on this. So if a thief tries to steal this vehicle, they're able to turn it on, but they can't put it into gear, so I can't drive off. You can see it keeps going back into park. Okay, so what you got to do, you need to enter your code so you can drive the vehicle. So when you turn it on, you enter your code, so 1 2 3 4. Your gearbox will flash to you to let you know it's correct, and there you go. Now it goes into reverse. So no code, you ain't going anywhere. If you want this installed on your BMW X5 brand new one, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.